Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you how to add a payment method to your Shopify store as an admin, so you can start accepting customer payments. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. This is typically yours to rename .myshopify.com/admin. Next, from the left-hand sidebar, click on Settings and then select Payments. Then, in the Accept Payments section, you'll see different options. To add a credit card processor like Shopify Payments or a third-party provider, click Choose a Provider or Activate next to Shopify Payments. After that, if using Shopify Payments, you'll need to enter your business and bank account information for payouts. For third-party providers, you'll be guided to connect your existing account. Finally, once configured, make sure to test your payment gateway by placing a test order to ensure everything is working smoothly before going live. Your store is now ready to securely accept payments from customers around the world. If this guide got your store ready for business, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.